Hi guys, let's get started right away. Picking the best PC case for your build largely depends on the type of hardware you're going to be using, as well as styling, since that's entirely subjective. Airflow is one of the most important considerations for any chassis, since it's what will allow the fans to draw in cool air and exhaust heat. This is where our collection of the best PC cases for airflow comes into play, with a focus on thermal performance. Now, we're into the super affordable territory. Less than $90 is a bargain for a decent chassis from a reputable brand such as Cooler Master. The Cooler Master MasterBox NR600 may be the most affordable PC case in our collection, but it's worth considering if you want a minimalist design and a front mesh panel. It's an understated look, but maintains a premium presence with the use of aluminum colors. You can install up to 3 120mm fans on the front panel, a further 2 120mm or 140mm on the top panel, as well as a single 120mm blower on the rear panel. 2 fans are pre-installed and ready to go. For radiators, 360mm is supported up front and 280mm on the top panel, which is more than enough for modern processors. Cable management isn't quite what you'd come to enjoy with a more expensive chassis, but it's good enough to allow you to easily create a clean look. Dust filters are located on the top and bottom panels to help prevent a buildup from getting out of hand. 7 expansion PCI slots are available, and 4 3.5-inch and 5 2.5-inch bays will ensure you never run out of storage space. Now we are one step away from the best, runner-up. We're big fans of Fractal design, and the company has been in the case-making business for many years. Fractal design offers the Meshify 2 compact in 2 flavors, one with a solid side panel or a tempered glass side window. Regardless of which you choose, it'll look amazing on or under your desk. Like other cases designed for airflow, this case has a complete mesh front panel. Maximizing the airflow, front-facing fans are able to suck in and cool components. 3 fans are pre-installed, so you're ready to go as soon as it's unboxed and your other PC parts are thrown into the mix. As well as these, there's space to add another 3 120mm or 140mm fans. To make things easier when messing around with the insides of your PC, Fractal design made the top panel entirely removable. Dust filters are installed on the front, top, and bottom panels to help keep everything clean and dust-free. If you're planning on installing a liquid AIO cooler, there's support for a 360mm radiator on the front panel, a 240mm radiator up top, as well as a 120mm radiator on the rear panel. You can pick up this PC case in either black or white color variants, and each of them comes with a 5-year warranty. And finally, the best. NZXT makes some of the best-looking cases on the market, and the NZXT H9 Flow is the latest release from the reputable PC case maker. You can install up to an ATX motherboard inside the NZXT H9 Flow, which is standard for such a case. There are 2 glass panels on the NZXT H9 Flow, with primary air intake taking place on the side panel. The top panel is filled with perforated holes for more effective exhaust, and up to a 360mm radiator can be installed with 3 120mm fans. The side panel can take a 360mm radiator with 3 120mm fans, and the bottom can also take a 360mm radiator with 3 120mm fans. Then there's a single 120mm fan mount on the rear panel for good measure. That's plenty of options for cooling, and you can go all out with 10 fans installed. GPU and CPU cooler clearance is also excellent, coming in at 435mm and 165mm respectively. 7 expansion slots are at hand for even the largest and best graphics cards or expansion cards. Unfortunately, there are no vertical mounts. Still, the cable management is class-leading, and the aesthetic is solid for the NZXT H9 Flow. Filters are at hand for bottom and side panels, allowing you to keep all your internals free from dust. It's simply brilliant. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.